Planet Roofing, established in 2009 in the vibrant state of Florida, is a pioneer in sustainable roofing solutions. Our unwavering commitment to both environmental stewardship and affordability sets us apart as the industry leaders. Recognizing the substantial financial commitment that roofing projects entail, we provide tailored financing options to ensure your roofing goals remain well within your financial reach. Our state-of-the-art solar roofing solutions epitomize our dedication to a greener future. By harnessing the sun's energy, you not only elevate your home's efficiency but also reduce your carbon footprint, translating to significantly lower energy bills and a profound positive impact on the environment. The financial incentives of choosing Planet Roofing are compelling. When you bundle our solar roofing with other eligible upgrades, you unlock a generous 30% tax refund. Moreover, every qualified roof project qualifies for a remarkable $10,000 grant. These financial perks underscore our unwavering commitment to sustainability and our local community. Join us in the endeavor to make Florida a more sustainable and resilient place to live. Contact Planet Roofing today to embark on your roofing journey and seize these lucrative financial benefits while contributing to a greener planet.